Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do another drawing tutorial. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe and activate those notifications by clicking on that bell icon below. So I have this thing that if I gain weight, it all goes straight to my midsection and here. And I hate that it does that. I wish it would like evenly distribute throughout my body, but it doesn't do that. So anytime I feel like I'm lacking in the exercise area, I start building up here. Like I'm probably an A cup already, and I don't like that. I want to have like a swimmer's chest where it's just completely flat. I thought, well, let's draw a bra. By the rate I'm going, I might have to get one later. So I did some little online investigation about the bra just because I'm curious. Well, it turns out that 83% of women are wearing the wrong bra size. That's a big number. And they're wearing the wrong bra size because throughout the year, your size can change up to 6 times. So they're always fluctuating in, I guess, size, weight, all of the above. The average bra is a 36C, and there are 4 million bras made every day. That's a lot of bras. There's about 28 different types of bras, and you have a lower risk of getting breast cancer if you don't wear a bra. So ladies, let them out. Let them hang out. I feel like if I were a girl, I probably wouldn't wear one. But I guess the smaller you are, the less you require one. I feel the bigger you need that support. So let's draw a bra. I'm really bad at symmetry, so I'm assuming this is not going to be as easy as it sounds. So I got my Sharpie ready. I'm going to start with the center. Like there's usually a little thing right here. For my bra, it's going to be the shape of a house, which is a pentagon, right? 5 sides pentagon. There's another little house. It's a very crooked house. And from each side, except the bottom, is where the little straps are going to come out of. So that's the bottom strap. I've already messed up. This one's so much longer than that one. And then the top strap here. So then we gotta connect these. Well, they should connect, so this should touch here. And the same thing on the other side. Well, that was better. Also, isn't like one always bigger than the other? So then if one cup fits you well, the other one's not gonna fit you well. That's annoying. So then extend the line and curve it, because it has a natural curvature. Oh, that's crooked. And then the same on the other side. Now there's a little strap on the side that has like you're making a smiley face. A small smiley face and then a larger smiley face. Same thing. Small, large. Then you're going to bring this up. And we're going to make the strap. It's like making a letter J. Another J. No, that's not a J. A J's that way. This is a J on this side. And then I guess they have like a little wire or whatever. What makes it, I don't know much about them. But this gives it the appearance that it's rounded. This is where the wire goes, right? Underwire. Also, I don't remember where the place, but 2 women were hit by lightning somewhere in Asia because of the underwire in their bra. Isn't that crazy? Here. That's crooked. Well, we're gonna put some lace up top. Right over. And then on the other side, and then add the lace. Ooh, I don't like that wings. I have a problem with symmetry. I can never get things right. But there's our bra. Very easy and simple. Now I'm going to come back and make some of these lines darker so it looks better, so it doesn't look so deformed. I guess I should connect these. So let me retrace these lines and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. I've retraced the lines to make them thicker. Now I'm going to come in with the stencil and add some pattern to this bra so it looks sexier. And once I do that, I'll come back and show you. So this wasn't fun at all. I should have used spray paint. That would have been a lot easier. But I like the way it looks. It looks cool. Now I'm going to bring in some acrylic paint. And I think I probably want to add some charcoal in here as well, just so it's like mixed media. Rarely do I use charcoal because it's messy and I don't like making a mess. But I have this little charcoal, what are these called? Or charcoal strand. So this is gonna scribble. So I'm done. This was a pretty fast and easy bra drawing. What took time was the stencil, but if you use spray paint, it's pretty fast to do. So, is there paint on my face? Yep. So there's this Mexican designer by the name Ivan Avalos. I will link you his Instagram's here below so you can check his page out. And he's dressed celebrities from Shakira, Dalia, and the list goes on and on and on. There's this shirt that he created, which is like a bustier, and I think it's really cool, and there's different variations of that he's done. So I want to do something about my own version, my different take on that, and I want it to be a bra. I created this same shape on this hoodie, and now I'm adding some white gesso, and then I'm going to paint over it and make it into this cool hoodie where you're wearing the bra on the outside. But I don't think I'm going to use this pattern just because it was a little bit tedious to do. So I'm going to do something different here, but it'll be basically the same shape. So once I get all the white, I think I'm going to make like a purple color for the base, and I'll show you the process as I'm going through it. And I'm going to use color. I don't think I'm going to make it black. So now that I've painted it, I'm going to come and add some purple stones all the way around it. So I'm done. These are really big. I feel like this would be like for double D's or G's. This is really big. I'm not sure that I love it just because I feel like it reminds me of those oversized t-shirts that you buy for the beach and it has like the bikini drawn on it. I added color to, you know, give it some more depth or whatever and more detail. I don't know. Like, I like it in this camera, but then when I look in the mirror, it's like, maybe it's too big, I think. I don't know. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. I think that probably my mistake was the color I used. Maybe had I done it black and gray, it probably would have been a little bit better. And smaller, definitely smaller. And another issue I had is that it's not symmetrical. Like if you look at the spaces, some are bigger than others. But symmetry is something that I need to work on. It's my Achilles heel. I feel like I want to do this. They're fun bags. I've always said they were fun bags, but I don't want them for myself. That's why I always keep working out, because like I said, that's where all my weight goes to. But anyway, tell me what you thought about this. I mean, I think it's definitely fun to wear. It's going to be an eye catcher. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it right here so you can take a look. Watch all the other content in my channel. Go ahead and subscribe and activate those notifications. That's it for today. Until next time, adios y bye.